Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a requested video by Amanda Olivieri, and when she wanted me to show her how I turn my Apres long coffin nails into some tapered medium square nails. Now on the screen I do have a picture of what the nails will look like and like a sizing chart comparison, so you guys can see that there is a difference between tapered square and coffin and regular square. It's a subtle difference, but it is a difference. A lot of people prefer the tapered square over just your traditional square. Here I'm just going to show you guys the part on what I'm going to cut down, and for reference I am cutting slightly above where the number is about to start. Like when you get your nails, it'll have a number on there so you can size them properly. I'm going to cut right before that, and it'll give me the perfect tapered square. It's not going to be too long and it's not going to be too short where it looks like it's a full-on square, but just to define that shape a little more, I'm going to clean up the sizes and the free edge to make sure everything is nice and neat.
Without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Cause you got me holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down.
This is what your nails should look like when you're done, and now I'm about to go ahead and design them. Today's design is going to be a milk bath nail, which I'm excited to do because I've always wanted to do them, and I said this would be the perfect time to do it. The flowers that I got are from Amazon, and it came in this 3-pack. However, I'm only going to use the first 2 and some gold foil flakes from Amazon as well. All the products will be linked down below. However, when I prepped my nails, I was getting very frustrated, and I blew the nails, blew all the flowers and stuff everywhere across my desk, as you guys can see. So that is where I'm going to be getting my flowers from. I was not going to throw them away and start over. But before you do that, you want to prep your bigger flowers by soaking them in some alcohol. Do not use water because it's going to make it hard for you when you're applying them, and to keep it from causing any lifting if you're using like acrylic or gel polish or anything like that. You want to do this stuff first so the flowers can be rehydrated and easier to mold down on your nail when you are about to encapsulate them.
People change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun.
Here I'm just showing you the products that I'm using. You do need a base coat, a top coat, something to encapsulate your nails with, whether it's a thicker top coat or a gel. And the start of the show is this milk color nail polish that I found on Amazon after searching high and low for a milky color nail polish, because I wanted to achieve this nail look without using acrylic powders. I'm not that good with acrylic powders, and I also wanted it to be easier for you guys. So I did this method a few different ways in the video, in which you guys will see and I'll explain. Here I'm just applying a thin layer of the base coat first. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply a thin layer of that milky nail gel color, and before I cure that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my flower pieces and cure that so everything is set.
Possessed by a low, low voodoo, fired up like a wolf on the full moon, and we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the river runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy Atwood.
After everything has set, I am now about to go in with a second layer of that milky color just to create that milk bath effect, as if the nails is in like the milky water. And I'm just lightly brushing over the nails to make sure I cover all the pieces, but not too much to where you can't see the pieces. And also try to even out any of the bumps that the nail that the flower is going to create, because they are 3D and you want to feel some texture, so you want to make sure you cover that. Don't stress too much over it with the gel polish. That's why we have that other thicker top coat or your gel base, in which you're going to really encapsulate everything in with. Now I want to take that gel top coat, which is thicker, just to encapsulate everything and make the top of my nail smooth.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change.
Okay, so don't mind what I'm doing to this ring finger. I tried to cut down on my time and do multiple fingers at once, and I over cured the base coat, so I had to go back in and apply the milk color and another base coat so I can have that tacky layer to stick the flowers on. But this is also where I'm about to change up my method, because I did not like the first method as much. It made my nails a little bit bulky, and it made me have to do more work in cutting down and shaping the nails so I can get that tapered square shape back. So I prefer you guys to try this method, in which you will apply a thin layer of your base coat, cure it for 30 seconds, then go in with your dry flowers instead of going in with that milky color. So now I'm about to apply the flowers that I had soaking in the alcohol. Make sure you dry them off on a paper towel first before you try to apply them, because if you don't, it's just going to slide everywhere and make it very hard for you to get them to stick. And if you do have bigger pieces that are thicker or that are longer, you can cut those pieces down, or just apply a dollop of your base coat in that area so to have something to adhere to.
Speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
what it should look like when you're done. You just want to go ahead and cure your hand for another 30 seconds so those flowers can stay in place before you apply your layers of the Milky Gel Polish. I'm just going around the flowers this time to keep down on the bulk and still keep the same effect without building up too much of this milk color. Make sure you move quickly if you're going to do more than one finger at a time, because gel polish tend to run down the sides of the nail if you don't cure it right away. And as you can see, that was already starting to happen with me, so I had to constantly keep wiping down the edge of my nails to keep that shape and keep it out of my cuticle area. Some still got there, but I will show you guys how I filed it down and brought back the shape of my nails.
Could be soaked to the skin and I'm all soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to.
Here I have my hand drill and a 100 grit bit in which I'm about to go in and file these nails down to bring back that shape and eliminate a lot of that bulk. My cuticle areas got really flooded when I was doing my nails, and I don't like the shape because they're bulky and there's lumps and it's just uneven. So I'm just really about to go in and clean up my nails.
Will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
That is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new from it. I'm going to do these nails again, so stay tuned for that. Put it in a different style. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.